In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sales pipeline in HubSpot. Now to do this, first you want to go to your dashboard, then you want to go to this settings cogwheel here towards the top right. And then from here, from the settings on the left, you want to scroll down and under data management, you will find objects. So it's the second tab, click on objects and it's going to open up your objects. The very first thing you have to do to be able to create a sales pipeline is switch the object up top from contacts, which is the default, to deals, which you can find down here. So click on deals. It's going to reload, and when this happens, there's a new tab called pipelines. You want to click on pipelines over here, and then if you go down, you can see by default I did have a sales pipeline already. So if I click on it, that's what it looks like. But if you want to create a new one from scratch, just click on create pipeline, create from scratch, and you can go and give it a name. I'm going to name this one sales pipeline tutorial like this, and I'm going to click on create pipeline. Now by default, it's going to have a few stages. As you can see, these are the stage names over here. So for me, I'm going to keep them like that, but of course you can go and click inside here, change the name, you can change the color, you can change the probability, and then of course here you have conditional logic rules if you wanted, and of course you can edit the rules as well, and then you can move them if you want to like this by clicking and dragging, and if it's not enough of them, you can always go and add a new stage, or then over here on the right you can go and delete it. Okay, so that's essentially how to manage the already created one. And then you want to go and click on pipeline rules, where you can go ahead and of course go and change it. So I made changes, I'm going to just leave, doesn't matter. And then here you can of course set these rules. You have the automate tab where you can automate them, and you have deal tags, which allows you to basically put in different deal tags if you want to as well. Okay, so that's how to create a sales pipeline. Then you can go back to pipelines, and of course you can make a new one if you want to. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.